Hello guys, here is I have schok insurance wireless phone. Is actually government phone and is not charging. You can see it just plug in, is not charging. Let me try other side. Yeah, it's not charging. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Let me open the back. Now we're gonna remove the all screw. We are almost done to remove the all screw. We remove the all screw. Now we're gonna remove the back housing. With the open tool, so just lifting up. There is a couple of lock. We have to remove this lock. Just push up. It's gonna come out easily. You can see it's come out easily now. Here is the charging port on bottom side. There is two screws. You have to remove it now. Now we're gonna remove the antenna line. Now we're gonna remove this charging port connection, and we need to apply some heat on top of that. And there is vibration. We have to apply heat on top of that also. So we're gonna remove the vibration now. There is the vibration. Now we're gonna lift it up with the tweezer. We need to apply more heat. Just push up, it's gonna come out easily. You can see now it's come out. There is the charging port, and I order new charging port from online. Here is the new charging port. Now we're gonna install the charging port, and now we're gonna connect the charging port connection and antenna line. And now you're gonna put the vibration. Now we're gonna put that two screw here. We're gonna install back two screw. We are done with the charging port. Now we're gonna put a back housing. Now we're gonna check, make sure phone is charging before I install the all screw. Plug in and charge. Yes, it's charging, look like. Yeah, charging is 0%, so I need more charge. Let me keep it on charge like a couple of minutes, see is charge going up or not. After a couple of minutes, we're gonna try again now. Yeah, you see charging is going up, is 1%. Now you're gonna put it back all screw. We are done with the all screw. Now you're gonna put it back cover. And let me turn on the phone. It's turning on. Yeah, I think I need more charge, only 2% now. We need more charge. So let me leave it on charger. After a couple of minutes, now it's 7%. Now we're gonna turn it back on again. It's turning on. Here is insurance wireless. Yes, phone is turning on. Swipe up. Yeah, it's working. So phone is charging and phone is fixed now. That's all right now, and let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.